this video is how to use the healing tool in Photoshop. I'm going to go over there now. So we have a few things that we need to do for this task. So first of all, we're going to try the spot healing tool. So paint over the area to be removed. In this case, the horses, when finished, the area to be removed will be shaded, the mouse will be released, and the area will be filled with color. So if we just zoom in on the horses, if I go over to the spot healing tool, I'm just going to go over the top of our horse, and it's gone. So this is spot healing. This is really a good tool to use when you've got small areas where the background is quite the same color. So we've done this one. The healing brush tool. So it's similar to the clone tool. So you have to press the Alt key, and then you can go over the top. So we're wanting to blend some of the pixels. So if we go back to where the healing tool is, and we go to the healing brush tool, we come over here, we press our Alt. You can see it's got the target. We just want to clean up a little bit of these pixels on here, just so it's a little bit more natural looking, I guess. Very similar to the clone tool. The next one we want to look at. So we've done these two now. The patch tool. So you can draw a selection around an area to be removed and then drag it to another place to replace it. So if we go back, all I'm doing is holding this mouse down, so then we can go to the patch tool. So we can go like this, make a closed part, and then basically move that patch over. I guess if we went all the way back and had our horses back in here, we could probably grab this and then get rid of them that way too. The last one, content aware move tool. Draw a selection around an area, then move. So it does it in a similar way. So if we perhaps go up to here, go up to the content aware move. So you could take this castle, for instance, and move, and move the castle. Hang on, I've done that wrong. Let me try that again. And then just over. So see how it hasn't made it a white selection, and then we can just deselect. Obviously for this particular one, moving the castle looks a little bit strange, but that's what the tool does. The last thing I want to do, so once I'm happy with how this looks, I just zoom back out. I need to change the color, because at the moment we need to color correct it. So we need to go to image and adjustments and level, because at the moment these levels, it's too dark. You can see here that there's a trough. Usually this indicates that it needs to be improved and the lighting needs to be changed. So just by doing this, we can see that we can actually see the work. If we go to File, Save As, we save a copy, and we basically save it as a JPEG. So if you can put your name on that and then email it through, that would be great. Thank you.